Hello, everyone. So we have another MATHCOUNTS state problem. So this was a sprint 28. So this was actually one of the challenging question on the test, but when I actually read the kind of solution provided, it took me a bit longer to read it and stuff. So which is why I feel like there might be a better solution. So then I look at this number we are given and then actually see that we can use the square binomial to solve this problem. So what does that mean like by that? So let me try same what I did. So like we have like 8 digit right here. And then we have like 9 digit right here. So maybe we should relate these somehow. And then since we are going to the square root, so we probably do expect a whole number. Otherwise, it would tell us something that is radical or whatever. But it didn't tell in the problem, so which is why we do expect a whole number anyway. So that's why it's a good indicator we may use the square binomial. So that's what I will use. So I'm going to choose this guy, the smaller number, let's say x, right? So like if I do multiply this by 9, so like 9x will be like, so 99, 999 and 999. But this number is really close to this number. This is like 11, and then this is like 12 lower than this number. So maybe if that's the case, then this number would be written as 9 times x plus 12. So then the question become x times 9x plus 12, and then there's a plus 4 after. Okay. And if I do expand this, you got 9x squared, and then 12 times x, which is 12x, and then plus 4. Okay, so like since I like to get a perfect square, which is lovely, there's 9 here, and then this is also x squared, so that is 3x squared. And then this is like 4, which is 2 squared. But if I multiply 3x by 2, that's 6x. If you double, that's actually 12x, which is actually going to be the square of binomial. So I can write 12x as 2 times 3x times 2, and then that will be plus 2 square after. And then that one inside is the same as 3x plus 2 to the second power, and then we have the radical for sure. So you cancel these guys. So you got 3x plus 2. So the x was the number I chose like with 8 ones. So if you do multiply this by 3, so 3x plus 2 is what we are interested, which is 3 times that. So we got 333 and then plus 2. So the answer is just 33,333,000. Actually, let's do that way. And 335. And that is the final answer. So like it's kind of cool problem because it looks like too challenging at first when you don't really realize we can make a perfect square. When there is like question where it looks too hard by hand, like this one, it's good to do some sort of substitution. So that is what I actually use this in problem. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video.